Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your gateway to elevated living in Vista Cana. Don't miss out on the chance to own this amazing two-level townhouse for sale in Bavaro. Starting from $169,000, this townhouse boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a patio area of 580.64 square feet. Step into Sol de Cana Residences, a charming complex in the heart of Vista Cana. The layout unfolds on the first level with an entrance hall, 2 parking spaces, a guest restroom, kitchen, dining area, patio, solarium, and maid's area. The second level features a master bedroom with a balcony, a secondary bedroom, and a common bathroom. Unlock the full Vista Cana experience with homes for sale in Punta Cana. Embrace sustainable living with pre-installed water filters and solar panels, and add a touch of luxury with optional extras like a Picuzzi and appliances. Make this Bavaro villa for sale your personal sanctuary, offering a perfect blend of comfort, style, and the unique charm of Vista Cana. Act now, and let's embark on a journey to turn this villa into your dream home. And with our payment plan, reserve with $2,000, 15% after signing the contract, 25% during construction, and the final 60% upon delivery of the property. Your Vista Cana journey begins today.